This might freak you out.
Need a pizza.
A single sneeze can blast droplets at over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah sprinting. Your body basically turns into a tiny cannon, shooting saliva and mucus in every direction. Inside, your diaphragm slams down, your chest muscles contract, and your tongue presses against the roof of your mouth, all at once. Air explodes out through your nose and mouth, carrying germs like microscopic missiles. And get this, one sneeze can release up to 40,000 droplets. So next time you sneeze, maybe cover your face. Wait, what? 40,000?